My name is Tabitha Gikanga. I'm a marriage and family therapist. I partner with Ponea Health, and today's topic is spousal support. Let me say, if your partner has some bit of a negative response to the surrounding or to the circumstances they are in, it's not good probably to approach your partner and tell your partner you are so weak and probably tell them, why can't you behave like this? Maybe we are told, there are rules of the game of marriage. And one of the rules is that you compliment before you criticize. If your partner has weaknesses, he's not full of weaknesses only. He has some strengths. And so you can start from their strength and talk about, you do this very well. I know I have witnessed you respond to this very well, but in that particular issue, I don't think you should have responded like that. You can actually do it differently. So you are not actually trying to talk negatives, because there are people who are always looking for negatives. Do not become negative to your partner. Your partner is the most important person in your life. I want to tell you that your partner should be more important even than your family. So when you're talking to your partner, be very, very careful. Work with what is going to work. Do not work with the negatives. Tell your partner you are good at some things. You are good at this and this, and you can pick some of those good things. Of course, when people come to me for counseling and they talk about so many negatives about their husbands, sometimes I actually decide to crack a joke and ask them, why did you get married to such a bad person? So when you ask them that, they remember this person has good qualities, and they start, coming out with those good qualities. That is what I would encourage people to be looking at even before they come to criticizing the responses that look like they are negative, because we are human beings and there's no human being who is perfect. The reason why our relationships do not work, the reason why we fight and the fight becomes very big, is because you think you are better than your partner. But there's nobody who is perfect. If you look at your partner like a human being who can make mistakes, you'll be able to help them overcome the areas they're having problems. If you look at yourself like a person who makes mistake, then you tolerate when your partner makes a mistake. I want to thank you for joining us in this discussion. I want to believe you are now clear about how we can make a marriage enjoyable. You can book our services on ponea.com. We look forward to having another discussion with you. Thank you so much for the time you have been together.